Okay, this is a boat cemetery. Like lots of abandoned boats here. Like they seem very old, and some of them have been used for as home for people here. Many boats very abandoned. Like yeah, seems like they will never get into the ocean again. Like this one looks like it's not destroyed, but it looks like probably it's not gonna be in use for a very long time. It's crazy. Oh, this one doesn't look old. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this one is half destroyed. Shit, and a lot of trash here. It's crazy. This place is crazy. Really looks very. Even fast boats like abandoned.